Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today in this video I bring some latest collection of some unique and amazing ideas of pebble crafts to make these collections more unique, amazing and beautiful. You can add up your own creative skills to these sort of unique and amazing ideas, or making these collections more unique, vibrant or extravagant. You can customize it according to your own requirements, that people will love to have these sort of creations, and making these sort of ideas more unique and beautiful, that will also enhance your productivity, or making these sort of unique and amazing creative crafts as a part of your daily lifestyle. Or you can choose these sort of creative crafts for your different home interior collections. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, I hope you do subscribe to my channel and like and subscribe to my several videos that can be shared with your family or friends. Or in this video, I bring some latest collection of some unique, amazing, trendy and beautiful pebble craft ideas by choosing different hand painted tips or tricks to making these sort of ideas more unique or beautiful. People will love to have and explore these sort of unique and amazing collections, or making these sort of beautifully decorated ideas into a more beautiful and challenging creative craft. There are some unique, amazing and interesting ideas of pebble crafts that people will love to have these sort of creative collections, or by exploring these sort of ideas you can add up different unique, amazing and marvelous collection of beautifully designed pebble craft ideas, or making these collections more unique, elegant or beautiful. People will love to have these sort of ideas by creating it in a more unique way, or making it as a home interior collection for their home interior and exterior decorations. You can also make up these sort of ideas for your bedrooms, living rooms and different other places that you want to make it more unique, beautiful and decorative. By also adding up to your creative minds, you can make these sort of unique and amazingly decorated ideas that people will love to have, and explore these unique collections for your time saving and your efforts that you have invested in these ideas. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest, trendy and updated collections for you. So if you have any request or query, do mention it in the comment section. I will work on it and answer all your queries in the comment section. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like it, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring some latest, trendy yet updated collections for you. So viewers, I hope you will love these ideas. Keep like and subscribe to my videos and channel. So keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.